Teratogenic effects of lixisenatide, anatomical malformations and histopathological changes in developing chick embryos. Lixisenatide is a peptide containing 44 amino acids, which is amidated at the C-terminal amino acid. At present, lixisenatide is the drug being used to treat type 2 diabetes mellitus. Therapeutically is being considered to be best for treatment of diabetes mellitus than other GLP-1 receptor antagonists. However, there is limited available data about effect of lixisenatide on liver, kidney, stomach and cerebral cortex. Studying the teratogenic effects of lixisenatide is important for human welfare. This study aims to find out gross anatomical malformations due to teratogenic effects of antidiabetic drug lixisenatide on developing chick. It was an interventional study conducted at the Department of Anatomy, Santosh Medical College, Ghaziabad, India. It is confirmed from the literature survey pilot study that the expected mean ±ST of the parameter of control and experimental groups are 27 ±5.32 with 32 ±5.30 with the help of software G** power analysis for alpha 5% and power 1 beta 95.36%. The effect size is 1.961 and the sample size for each group is 28. So, we have taken the total sample size of 280. Descriptive statistical analysis, which included frequency and percentages, was used to characterize the data. Inferential statistics included a chi-square test and an independent samples t-test for different dependent variables of the study, and p less than 0.05 was considered statistically significant. Gross anatomical malformation was seen after administration of lixisenatide as compared to the control group. Histological sections D and DD, magnified at 10x and 40x respectively, of the liver treated with a higher dose of lixisenatide on embryonic day 21 show congestion of the central vein accompanied by infiltration of inflammatory cells. The most common anatomical malformation was growth retardation followed by limbs deformity and twisted neck, and it was statistically significant, p less than 0.05. Significant decrease in the weights of treated chick embryo compared to the control groups, p less than 0.05. The findings generated in this study show teratogenic effects like anatomical malformations and histopathological changes due to effects of high dose of lixisenatide on developing chick embryo in liver organ, and these teratogenic effects may be extrapolated to human being. Lixisenatide is a medicine used once a day to help control blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. It is approved in over 60 countries and works by copying the actions of a natural hormone called GLP-1. This hormone helps the body produce more insulin, reduces the release of another hormone called glucagon, slows digestion, and helps protect various organs like the heart and brain. While lixisenatide is effective in managing diabetes, there is limited information about its safety during pregnancy or its effects on developing organs such as the liver, kidneys, stomach, and brain. Understanding whether this drug can cause birth defects, teratogenic effects, is important for protecting unborn babies. To explore this, researchers used chick embryos, which are often studied because their development is similar to that of humans in many ways. Chick embryos are easy to observe and manipulate, making them ideal for studying early development. This research aims to find out if lixisenatide causes any physical or organ damage in developing embryos. Since there is no specific human dosage guidance for different ages or weights, this study could help provide useful insights into the drug's potential risks and support safer use during pregnancy. The data generated in this project shows teratogenic effects like anatomical malformations and histopathological changes due to the effects of high doses of lixisenatide on developing chick embryos in the liver organ, and these teratogenic effects may be extrapolated to human beings. The results of the study may help the clinician to develop more novel therapeutic strategies for the management of diabetes mellitus worldwide. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.